Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. My name is Sama and in today's video we will be reviewing some Aliexpress makeup brushes. Yes, I know it can be very overwhelming to find such good quality makeup brushes, but that remain affordable and budget friendly. So that's why today I'm here to share with you guys all the options I found. All of them, they are under 15 euros / $17. I will be starting with my makeup brushes that I used to do this makeup, but I will be giving you other options as well that you can find on Aliexpress website in case you are looking for other colors, other shapes, anything you may look for. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys, and without further ado, let's get started. Please don't mind my baby hairs, like they don't, my fly hair, they don't want to stay in place, okay? So yeah, anyway, first of all we will start with my actual makeup brushes. So these ones I got them from the store Chichodo, I don't know how to pronounce it, on Aliexpress. It's a set of 13 brushes, as you can see. These ones are dirty because I use them to do my makeup right now because I don't have any other brushes, so I always use just these ones. I got them for around 11 euros, but now they retail for 15 euros with delivery to France. But most of the time Aliexpress, they have a lot of promotions, a lot of sales, so if you have time and you can wait for the promotions, most of the time it's way better. So I have ordered them on May 2021 and now we are December and they remain exactly the same. They're still as soft as when I got them. They don't lose any hair. They are amazing. I use them at least 4 times a week and I wash them every week, so really they got no damage. They are perfectly fine. I carry them with me wherever I go, so honestly nothing to say about them if not just good things. What else? They apply your makeup smoothly. You don't have any kind of like weird things on your face. Sometimes it happens to me with other kind of brushes. You don't get any kind of reactions as well because I have such a sensitive skin, and still I never had any kind of problems unless I didn't wash them for a long time, which I try not to do, so I don't get any breakouts on my face. Whereas if I recommend to you something is to wash them as soon as you get them. Sometimes most of the time they come with a weird smell because like they have been somewhere. So don't forget to wash them, let them dry, and then you're good to go. I think I have talked about anything you should know about these makeup brushes, so now I'm gonna go give you other options on the website. Go to Google's website and we click on aliexpress.com. You will have a website looking like this, and then you click on beauty, health and hair, and you click on makeup tools. Once you do that, you will have all the makeup brushes here, all the sets. I always click on 4 stars or more, so I will get the best quality. Then you can filter regarding the price, the sale, delivery, etc. Once you do that, you get all these choices. And you can see here how many they were sold and the comments of people that bought them. Now I'm gonna show you the options I got here. So this is the first set. It's this brownish color. You get all the options here. Depending on the option you take, you will have a different price. I always try to take the free shipping options, and I look for the orders, the number of orders, and the reviews. Then I will go to customer reviews, and always I'm gonna check the comments and I'm gonna check the photos of the people and what they say about them. Always the delivery time, the quality, the color, if it's soft, if it's not. Now here I got another option. It's a marble pink, gray, depending on what you're looking for. As you can see, you can ask for delivery from China or from Russia, and here you get all the pictures once again, so you can check the quality. Now I got a pink / mint color. They are really soft. They look like the ones I got, and same again, you check the pictures, you check the quality, and you do all that before you buy them. Here I got other colors as well. They're really soft colors and blended colors, as you can see. They have that kind of diamond shape. You have the transparent ones and the gold ones. Now I got a bad option here to show you that sometimes it happens that they got bad reviews and they don't have pictures, so always check that. Like for this one, I wouldn't buy it because it's not a good one. Now I got another option here, a transparent one with blue greenish options, which I really like. I wanted to buy this one. I was waiting for the comments, and now we got a lot of comments. And then I have baby pink one for you guys. It looks as good as the other ones. It doesn't have that much comments, but at least it has 5 stars and more, which is good as well. Sometimes, as you could see, you can have other options for shipping, but they will not ship to your country. It can happen. Now for this part right here, I'm going to show you how to buy. So you add it on your shopping cart, and here I'm going to show you the other option I got as well. It looks like this. Then you click on buy, click on all of them, and then you click on buy. As soon as you do that, it will look like this. Just keep in mind that on top of this page you will have the shipping address and your card number. I didn't want to show you here, but you have them on top of the same page. Now once you do that, you verify everything before you place your order, and you're done. I've tried, you guys, to talk about all the steps you need to know before you order your AliExpress makeup brushes, but these steps you can apply them to buy any other items on AliExpress. It's basically the same thing. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you are looking to order any AliExpress makeup brushes, let me know on the comments below, and if you have done it as well, or if you have any recommendations, I would love to know. If you did like the topic of this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, you can subscribe right here. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, please take care.